Okay, this video is going to describe the transformations of the exponential functions and also practice a little bit more with graphing. So if we are trying to describe the transformations, and we look at number 6, this -2 means something. This +4 on number 7 means something. Number 8, that negative and that +8 mean something. Okay, so if you think about the transformation rules, then this -2 is on the outside. It's not in the exponent. So this is just a shift down 2. Number 7 has this +4 in the exponent. So this is where you have to think opposite of what it is. So instead of shifting to the right 4 because you think it's a plus, you are shifting left 4. Number 8, you are reflecting because of the negative out front. And then you are also shifting up 8. Number 9, that -5 in the exponent means you are shifting right 5. And then this +3 means you are shifting up 3. Okay, so number 10, you are trying to graph it, but you just have to make a t-chart first. So the first part of your t-chart would be the 4, and then the x + 1, and then you would also have the -1. So if I would use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, then you would have 4, -2 + 1 is 4 to the -1st. Substitute the 1 in there for x. You get 4 to the 0. 0 + 1 would be 4 to the 1st. One + 1 would be 4 squared. And then 2 + 1 would be 4 to the 3rd. So this one would be 0.25, 1, 4, 16, and 64. Then you are going to subtract 1 from each of these. So 0.25 minus 1 would be -0.75. Then 1 minus 1 would be 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 15, 63. Now again, I'm not too concerned about your graphing because these are going to be very hard to graph. So I just more or less want you to make the t-chart. Okay, so number 11, you would have 3 to the x, and then add 2. You can use other numbers other than -2, -1, 0, but those are just easier numbers to use. So if you put the numbers, substitute them in for x, this would be 1/9. This would be 0.33. 1, 3, and 9. And then you are going to add 2. So this would be 11, 5, 3, 2.33. And I'm not sure what this decimal would be. Okay, now for homework, you're only doing 22 and 24, and then you're just describing the transformations for 29 to 32.